Good morning, honorable guests, worthy principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Happy Independence Day. I am Atifa. I feel great pride to present a happy independence speech. This day, 15th August, is very important in the history of our land. We got freedom from British rule. Our free country is in fact a gift of God. It is the reward of sacrifices given by our great leaders. Respected sir, today we are a free and most powerful country in the world. Our land is quite beautiful. We have all the resources. Our youth are very talented in technology, engineering and medicine. We have a brave and bold army with us. We are a respected country in the world. Our friends like us our enemies, fair as respected fellows. This day is very important for us. Let's make a promise ourselves to serve our country. We have to work day and night. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.